Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, welcome back to Furry Pirates, to another week together where we get to work together as a furry team, improving the best versions of ourselves. And as we continue where we left off last week with our Pirate Way Culture Playbook and looking at that belief of own, let's first realize that we own how well this school week is going to go. Regardless of the events that come our way this week, we still have to own how we respond of what we want to make out of each day and even every little moment that's going to happen this entire week. Now, we started to look at these behaviors underneath the belief of own. And we learned that when we take responsibility, which is that very first behavior, that means we're not going to BCD. And we can see that up here in the corner. We're not going to blame, complain, or defend, because those are the actual opposite of taking responsibility. And we went over last week how if we choose to blame others or blame an event as our response, maybe we're saying, well, the other student didn't tell me what I was supposed to do. Or we could say, if it wasn't for everyone else talking, then I wouldn't have talked either, and I could have been a better listener. We're choosing to put that blame on other people for why things didn't go the way we want it to. And when we choose blame for our response, it never gets us closer to the outcome we're trying to achieve. We need to be responsible for our choices. The same can be said about the second letter within BCD. Remember, it's blame, complain, defend. So that C stands for complain. Listen to what it's like if you choose complain as a response. I never get to do what I want. This isn't fair. This is too hard. All different complaints. The complaining is the response. Remember that letter R and E plus R equals O. That's what you're choosing to do. And if you're dealing with a difficult event, let's say maybe you're trying to finish a math problem that's difficult for you. You may not be able to do it on your own yet, but you can if you choose to be relentless by continuing to always give your best effort and never give up. But if instead you decide to take complaining as your response by saying, well, it's just too hard, I can't do it, are you ever going to achieve that outcome of being able to complete that challenge on your own? Nope. You need to choose to respond with relentless effort instead. So let's own our responses this week, today, and in this very moment by taking responsibility, by being intentional, and making sure we don't allow ourselves to BCD, to blame, complain, or defend. Let's make it a great start to the week, and I look forward to growing the best version of Furry Elementary with all of us fellow pirates starting today and throughout this entire school week. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right. Thank you, everyone. Today is Monday, October 9th, 2023. For lunch today, will be chicken fingers with potato stars, mini carrots, and pears. If you're choosing a sandwich this week, it would either be turkey and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. Got a couple birthdays to celebrate at Furry today. We want to say happy birthday to Lexi Rapp and Sophia Walton, who both get to celebrate their birthdays with the Furry team. We hope both of you students have a wonderful day today and enjoy getting a year older on this Monday. And we have some academic congratulations to recognize this morning. We want to start by saying congratulations to second grade students Aries Smith, Cole George, and Carter Stock for passing the addition facts on the extra math program, and that's in Mrs. Riggy's class. We also want to say congratulations to second grade students Ella Pena and Eli Sparger for passing their nonsense word whole words read goal in Mrs. Riggy's class as well. Well done to both of those students. We want to say congratulations to kindergarten students Dominic Pacino, Benjamin Gessner, and Enzo Chavez for joining the Alphabet Club, and that's in Mrs. Obergefel's class. And we'd also like to say congratulations to second grade student Izzy Pacino for completing the subtraction facts on the extra math program, and that's in Mrs. Sumner's class. Well done to all of those students and the variety of different academic congratulations we heard this morning. Keep up the good work. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right. And remember, we're not going to choose B, C, D as a response because it will not get us any closer to an outcome we're trying to achieve. We're going to be relentless with our effort instead. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold. Breathe out. All right. Very good, boys and girls. I do not have any other announcements for you this morning. So let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. Let's make it a great day, Furry.